Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a DeFi platform with Yearn Finance, full guide step by step clearly. To create a DeFi platform using Yearn Finance, start by familiarizing yourself with the core concepts of decentralized finance. Research Yearn Finance to understand its architecture and functionalities. Set up your development environment with Node.js and npm installed. Create a new project directory for your DeFi platform. Initialize your project with npm to set up the necessary configuration files. Install the required dependencies, including Web3, Ethers, and any other relevant libraries. Connect to the Ethereum network using Infura or Alchemy for your project. Create a smart contract using Solidity to define the core functionalities of your platform. Include features like yield optimization, liquidity pools, and staking options in your smart contract. Utilize Yearn Finance's existing vaults and strategies by integrating their contracts into your own. Test your smart contract locally using tools like Ganache to simulate the Ethereum blockchain. Conduct thorough audits of your code to ensure security and functionality. Deploy your smart contract to the Ethereum mainnet using Truffle or Hardhat. Create a user-friendly front-end for your platform using React or another framework of your choice. Integrate Web3 functionality to connect users' wallets to your DeFi platform. Implement user features such as depositing assets, withdrawing funds, and viewing yields. Set up analytics and monitoring systems to keep track of platform performance and user interactions. Conduct a soft launch and invite users to test your platform for feedback before the official release. After addressing any issues, launch your DeFi platform publicly. Engage with your community for ongoing support and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.